And if I had a nickel for every time someone said how smart I was, I would have 0 nickels. So join me next video for this and more math. So continuing the tradition of not knowing what the hell I'm doing, I'm going to review this that I was given through my current employer. It's a MPOW Bluetooth headset, MPOW audio wireless, whatever doohickey headset thingy-doo-bob. Thingy-doo-bob is the technical word, I think, for it. So let's have an unboxing, shall we, and try to figure out how to use this thing, what we use this thing for. I'm not even sure why I need this thing. But anyways, here it is. Let's do it. Why not? What else you got to do except watch this video? What else I got to do but make this video? So let's try to get it out of here. Okay, it comes with something in plastic. We'll figure out what that is in just a second. Jesus, there's more freaking cardboard than there is product. What in the hell? I don't know. Why? I don't know. All right, so another 2-year warranty. Nice little mini pamphlets or whatever the hell. Jeez. All right, I don't care if I destroy this box. So this is the headset coming at you. So here's the headset. So it's more packaging than anything. Be gone with you. All right, let's get into this. Sure, it comes with this lovely box of, oh, it's a stand. So stands are good. And comes with this, and it's a USB connection. So I'm assuming plug and play. That'd be something I'm trying to figure out. I should get a USB hub. I'm starting to get too much USB stuff. This cord is very short, so I'm not sure what you do with that. Jesus Christ. So this is very short. I'm not too keen on that. So it's not something I can put on my desk. Yes, I do have a docking station here. This docking station is not for my main computer. It's for my laptop. But that's not to say, and it's not plugged in right now. So far, I'm not too keen on this for my personal use at first thought, but that's okay. So we'll put the USB in here. So that's how it generates power. So obviously this goes here. All right, to sit there. It looks like it's powered. It's got a red light on there, so it's powered to a certain capacity right out of the box. Now, I did not purchase these, so I'm not really sure how much they were, but I'm just doing a quick Google search. $25, $15. So yeah, I don't know if that's the same one. It's $45. So it seems like between 15 and $30, unless people are like blowing up the prices. So I guess they're economical. I guess I haven't plugged them in yet. I'm gonna plug them into the USB port right now and see what we find out here. And as soon as I can find one. Why do I have to be blind all the time? I know there's one down there. Jesus Christ almighty. All right, I got it. Okay. So she's plugged in. She's powered on. And now what? I got this thing, this laundry list of shit. Yeah, I know. That's what happens when you get old. You go to Big Lots and you get readers. It's what happens. So it's about 11:30 p.m. in the evening, and I let this charge all day. So let's get this unit. And I mean, you don't have to plug it into your computer. You can get things like this and plug it into your wall to make it more convenient. It's just more things to freaking plug in. It's a pain in the ass. All right, and to turn it on, where is it here? So here's the volume up and down, and to turn it on, there's this button right here. Okay. And I don't know if you heard that little beep, but there's a little beep, and then I don't know if you saw the light. So it's on. So I'm going to put it over here. Now you got to pair it to your phone. Parrot, rock, rock. Not that kind of parrot, damn it. Okay, so. Oh, well, this popped up. That's a whole other tutorial. Yeah, I'm not going to get into that. All right, I'm just going to do that. This is just me linking something else to my phone. Anyways, go into your settings on your phone. I mean, every phone, right? It's going to be different. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but go into your settings. Now you're going to go to Bluetooth. There's going to be a Bluetooth. And now if it's on, so available devices, it is loading. So it should detect this device. So it's loading right now. I don't know if you can fucking see that or not. Trust me, it's loading. So it's trying to detect the device. No nearby devices. Okay, let me hit this button again. All right, hit it, Charlie. All right, I'm gonna hit this volume up and hold it. You just keep hitting buttons until they work. All right, let me go back. Hit Bluetooth. Okay, it's good. Oh, okay. So I'm sorry. So I held down this top button here, and now it's detecting it. I don't know. I just do things. All right. So it says headset because I renamed it. So I'm going to hit headset. I'm going to hit pair. All right. So it's connected. So I'm going to call myself. What should I call myself? Idiot, moron, retard. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to call myself. So, how am I supposed to have headsets on top of headsets? Well, how are we going to do this? I don't know. Can we do? Can we do this? Can we do this? Hello, NASA. How's the exploration going? Okay, so all right, that's good. That actually works good, I think. So I'm going to call myself. So what do you think? What? 4509887. All right. Did I dial the right number? What's my number? Oh, here it goes. Oh shit! I didn't wait long enough. I'm a very impatient person, I guess. All right, I'm going to call myself on the house phone to my cell phone. Just waiting. Should I answer? I wonder who it is. Come on now. Okay, let's try this again. You have no idea how difficult this is. All right, I got too many hits. Here, I'm going to do this. Okay. Okay, I got to turn this on. All right, it's on. Okay, I called myself. All right, I call it. Someone's calling. I should answer it, huh? Answer, please. Okay, so I'm gonna put this way over here. And hello, how are you? Hi, sexy. Hey, where have you been all my life? You're kind of hot. You really need a shave, though. Okay, so this is working awesome for the phone. So I'll go throw this over on the bed. All right, just checking in to see if This is working. NASA. Okay, so it works pretty good. We'll hang up there. All right, so it works pretty good. Sounds good. There's no breakup or anything. So I'll have to find an outlet. I don't know where. But yeah, it's an inexpensive product. It works good. It was easy to set up. Just charge it, pair it, and go to town. Walk around the house, take a pee while you got your headset on. I wouldn't recommend taking a shower, but I don't know. Probably couldn't do the lawn with it, but what else would you do? Probably laundry. What do you do around the house? Do dishes? It works all right. It works good. I would recommend it. It's inexpensive. It's all that good stuff. All right, guys and gals. Obviously, I'm very tired and very weird. All right. So to sum up, just when you get the instructions, just throw them that way. Just charge the unit first in a USB port. Hit the top of this until it illuminates. Go onto your phone. Go to settings. Go to Bluetooth, and then you'll see the unit on there, and then you're just going to hit the unit and pair it, and it will automatically pair it to your phone, and then let someone call you. Have everyone call you in the world. If you want me to call you, send me your phone number. I'll call you. You'll get some weirdo calling you, doing what I normally do, being weird. All right, gals and guys, that's all I have to say for this particular video, and I would recommend this product. It works. It works good. And if you could please subscribe, please do so, because wouldn't everyone love to do this for a living? I would. And I kind of know what I'm doing most of the time. Kind of, sort of. I pretend to know what I'm doing most of the time. And then like this video if you like it 5 times. If you absolutely hated it, share it. Hit the bell for updates. And that's all. I'm going to go make another video because that's all I do is work, make videos, see a girlfriend, and I don't know. Try to live life the best I can. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.